professional year. This cycle finally breaks the pattern of hard work and building as you begin to reap some of the benefits of all your efforts of the past year. 5 is the symbol of change and progress, so prepare yourself for many exciting and surprising occurrences. Travel is well favored, so you should be gadding about sometime during this year. Perhaps it is business, but certainly a vacation is in order after the self-sacrificing vibrations of a 4 year. Since you can afford it in both time and money, don't deny yourself the pleasure. You will meet interesting people and have exciting experiences that will last you a lifetime. Words come into prominence again during this cycle, and you could be very successful in any endeavor in which you must communicate with people, writing, speaking, sales, advertising, etc. If you are by trade a writer, lecturer, or performer, this cycle can be doubly profitable because it is the most important to such fields of endeavor. 5 is the symbol of these traits, and anything connected with it is usually successful. Since 5 is also the symbol of chance, you can be sure that there will be something this year that will catch you completely unaware and will be a real turning point in your life. Because you won't be expecting it, you must not get rattled as each new wrinkle in your life unfolds. Accept these changes with equanimity and explore each and every one for possible future benefits. Whatever you start early on in the year will be most likely either be canceled or postponed. But take heart because this too could be beneficial. Your finances may take a turn one way or the other and bear watching. Good stocks or investments could plunge into the red, and those that have been dormant for too long could start a very profitable climb. With all this unexpected activity in almost all of your affairs, you can quite easily develop a case of nerves, worrying over the bad turns and apprehensive of the good ones. Stay calm and unruffled, and think clearly so you can handle things correctly. Romance will definitely enter your life, since you will be most appealing to the opposite sex now. However, with the prevailing vibration of change, this may not end up as happily as you would like it to. Romances started now often are plagued with arguments and broken engagements, but these flats will probably be patched up in your 6th year. If the relationship is a good one to begin with, it can endure the state of fluctuation your 5 year brings. It is best, with this unstable influence hanging over you, not to make any permanent associations at all, business or otherwise. Don't sign anything that binds you irrevocably. It will bring unpleasantness and aggravation if the terms are broken, which they probably will be. That means partnerships, leases, business deals, and the like. Just hang on a bit, for the 5 is always compensated for eventually, and your good times are coming. In the meantime, enjoy the sociability and excitement of the 5-year cycle. You should have a good time.